Hi everyone, welcome to Student Corner. Today we are going to discuss few questions with respect to how to clear your finance and accounting interview, particularly for the freshers. As a fresher, if you go for a job and if you apply for an interview, so what are the basic questions in the finance and accounting concepts? So what are the basic questions that might likely to come in your written test round? So as you know, we will be having various levels of interviews, like first round will be the written test, and second round will be your group discussion, that is your GD round, and third will be your technical or the HR personal interview you will be having on the at the end of the interview. So if you clear this written test, there will be the more chances around more than 60% of the chances that you will be clearing your entire interview process. So in the written test, they will be asking, particularly if you are in the finance and accounting line, you must be knowing few questions with respect to your basic accounting concepts and the what are the finance. So what do you mean by accounting and finance? What are the differences? What is the basic difference between the finance and accounting? So accounting is that which we record usually all the business transactions, our day-to-day business transactions, and day-to-day business transactions are first recorded and later on they are posted into your ledger accounts, and finally you will be preparing your financial statements, that is the balance sheet and various other income statement, cash flow statements, all those things are. And these questions are the usual repeated questions that will appear in your written test round, and we can discuss a few more questions like with respect to your interview questions. So the first one which we are going to concentrate is the golden rules of accounting, and then next one is your prepaid expenses and the outstanding expenses, accrued expenses, and next one, the next part of the thing is that you must be knowing about your bank reconciliation statement, that is often referred to as the BRS, and what are the assets and liabilities, how it will be appearing in your balance sheet, what are the various types of assets and what are the different liabilities. So what is meant by accounts receivables, accounts payable. So you must be knowing all the fixed assets, current assets, all those things are what are its treatment and effect in your balance sheet. And next is your trial balance on the final accounts, which is nothing but after preparing the trial balance, you will be preparing a final accounts, that is the trading account, profit and loss account, the balance sheet. So in your upcoming videos, you will be going into in depth, as well as you can know it in a simple terms. So basically we will you might be asked these kinds of questions in your interview. So we will be discussing in our upcoming videos about those questions. So we can see in our next video session. Thank you so much.